Hi there! Don't we all want to watch TV wearing our headphones and not disturb anyone in the room? Well, unfortunately, the Mi TV 4a 43-inch and the 32-inch don't come with Bluetooth. But there is a way I figured out. Continue watching this video to see a step-by-step process on how to use your favorite Bluetooth headphones with the Mi TV 4a. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started! So for this to work, you're going to need a Bluetooth transmitter. This is the Havitech Bluetooth transmitter which I got from Amazon for 2200 rupees. Well, there are cheaper ones available like the Luxus LB10 which cost 1050 and the 7X Bluetooth transmitter which cost around 1500 Indian rupees. I'll leave the links for all three of them in the description. So there are three reasons why I bought the Havitech Bluetooth transmitter. Number one, you can connect this to two Bluetooth devices at once, which means two people can sit together in one room, connect two separate pairs of Bluetooth headphones and watch one movie without disturbing anyone else in the room, which I think is a huge pro. Number two, when you buy cheap Bluetooth transmitters, the audio quality is usually disappointing. However good your Bluetooth headphones are, the audio quality is usually bad when the Bluetooth transmitter is not of a good quality. And also latency. Now imagine when you're watching a video or a movie and the lip sync is not matching. So the latency between the video and audio is really bad in cheap Bluetooth transmitters, which is not a problem with this one. Number three, apart from a Bluetooth transmitter, this one is also a Bluetooth receiver. What is the difference, some of you might ask? Well, a Bluetooth transmitter is when we connect this to a television set and we can hear the audio on Bluetooth headphones. A Bluetooth receiver is when we connect this to a car stereo or to a home theater system and we can stream music from our phones using the Bluetooth on the devices. I will be demonstrating both, but first let's have a quick physical overview of the device. So it's like a 3-inch by 3-inch square box. You have the power button on the top. You have an LED light here which is blue and red. You have a TX and RX switch button. TX is transmitting, RX is receiving. So if you're transmitting, you come to TX, and if you're receiving, you come to RX. SPDIF and aux, you can switch between the two. On the back you have an aux in and an aux out depending on what purpose you're using it for. You have an SPDIF in and you have an SPDIF out, and you have a micro USB charging port. The Bluetooth transmitter also comes with a 350 mAh lithium battery, which the company says will last for around 15 hours. But I recommend you keep the charging cable connected to it so that you don't run out of juice. And it's the best thing to do. You already have 3 USB ports on the Mi TV, so it's best that it's connected so that you don't have to worry about the battery getting drained. So for demo purposes, I'm using a Sony Bluetooth headphone. I'm using Tag wireless Bluetooth earbuds. And this is the cable we will need. This is provided with the Havitech Bluetooth transmitter in the box. But for demo purposes, I'm going to use a bigger one because once I'm going to connect this wire, the box is going to go behind the television. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use a longer aux cable. You too can use a longer one, but it wouldn't matter once you are connected. Once it is paired, the box can go behind the TV. So the first step is to pick up the transmitter and make sure it's on aux and it's on TX. T is transmitting, R is receiving. And since you want to transmit it to your Bluetooth headphones, you make sure it's on TX and this is on aux. Connect the aux cable on the 3.5mm audio headphone jack on the Mi TV. Then we connect the aux cable which we connected to the television and we connect it on aux. Let's keep it here. Press this and hold this. Hold it for 3 seconds. I'm taking the first pair and I'm pressing it, turning it on and putting it in pairing mode. There you go. When it turns blue, it means it has paired. There it is. It's paired. So now what we're going to do to pair the second one, we're going to turn this off. And now this is turned off, and we turn this off as well. Press and hold and it turns off. We turn it on again and hold it And then we take the pair of second headphone and we turn them on as well, and we make sure we put them in pairing mode as well. There it is. Now when it turns blue, that means it has paired with this. There we go. And let's turn it on. It's turned on. Okay, there is a video running on my screen, and then I'll show that sound is coming from both of these headphones of the same video. So first I'm checking my Sony headphones,
which I will be answering in this video, so stay tuned.
and you can
If you want to see the unboxing
that they're
video,
working.
quickly click the card up here to see that video. This is your
So now you can see that this is working. So now let's try the tag earphones. So there is no latency in the audio, and I've also tested that it works flawlessly up to 10 meters. So to now use this for your home theater system and your car stereo, first thing you got to do is switch this from TX to RX. That means it has to receive music and not transmit. And then you connect your aux cable, which you can connect to your home theater system or to your car stereo, and you put it on the same aux port. Press this button and hold it for 3 seconds. Take your phone, go to settings, go to Bluetooth, turn it on. There it is, BT29 pairing, shows connected. Go back and there you go. So technically you can play whatever you have on your phone. You can play directly to your home theater system or to your car stereo from your phone. So it works as a transmitter as well as a receiver. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comment section and let me know if you have any questions regarding the Bluetooth transmitters, if you liked them, if you didn't like them. If you have any other questions regarding the MeTV, I'll be happy to help. Also, don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.